Hi friends, myself Abinaya. Today I am going to explain about Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is an important topic in maths which explains the relation between the sides of right angle triangle. It is also something called Pythagoras theorem. The formula and proof of this theorem are explained here. Pythagoras theorem is basically used to find the length of unknown sides and angle of triangle. By this theorem we can derive base, perpendicular and hypotenuse formula. So Pythagoras theorem formula. So using this formula, I will show you which is base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. So this is your perpendicular, which I have named as A, that is your perpendicular. B I have named that is your base, and C is hypotenuse. Okay. So according to the definition, the Pythagoras theorem formula is given as hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is c square is equals to perpendicular is a square plus base is b square. So example, I have taken one triangle. So in this 6 centimeter is your perpendicular and 8 centimeter is your base, and hypotenuse we have to find. So I have given it as the x. So we are going to find the value of x here. So x is the side opposite to right angle, hence it is the hypotenuse. Yes, x is the hypotenuse. Now by this theorem we will do. So what is the formula we have to apply here? Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So x square is equals to, okay, this is your hypotenuse, so we have named it as x, is equals to 8 square plus 6 square. Okay, 6 square, and 8 is your base and 6 is your perpendicular. So here x, what is x here? X square as it is you have to write. So 8 square is 64 and 6 square is 36. Okay, so if we add this both, we'll get an answer as 100. So here square is there, so I have shifted it to my right hand side. It will become root value. So root of 100 is 10. So therefore the value of x is here 10. Pythagoras theorem proof. So given is the right angled triangle ABC, right angle at B. Okay, to prove, what we have to prove is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. You have to prove. So to prove, we have to construct a perpendicular BD meeting AC at D. Okay, so already I have drawn a triangle and I have drawn a line in between AC. So I have given as name as D. So now we have gone here for 3 triangles we can find here. So your first triangle is ABD. A, B and D. This is your first triangle, and second triangle is A, B and C. Third triangle is nothing but here you can find this B, okay, B, D, B, D and C. This is your third triangle. Okay, so we have to prove here. So we know that angle ADB is proportional to angle A, B and C. So therefore we have to make a division here. So AB by AC is equals to AB by AC. Okay, now we have to cross multiply. So AB and AB it will become AB square, and AD and AC will become AD and C. Okay, corresponding sides of the similar triangles. Okay, or AB square is equals to AD into AC. Okay, as I said you here. So second value is BDC is proportional to angle A, B and C. So therefore what will happen? CD by BC is equals to BC by AC. So you have to cross multiply. So you will get the answer. So adding the equation, what you have to do? Adding the first and second equation, will get here AB square plus BC square is equals to AD into AC plus AD into AC. So AB square plus BC square is equals to AC, and you have to write AD and CD, because AD and CD we have to write here. Next, since AD and CD is equals to AC, okay, AC it is equal, so therefore AC square, so we have to write this square because we have here 2, so we have to write it square, and AB and this you have to shift here, so what will happen, AB square plus BC square, so hence the Pythagoras theorem is proved here. Okay, next is Pythagoras theorem problem. So problem number 1 I'll take. So side of the triangle are 5, 12 and 13 units. So check if they have the right angle or not. So we have to check how to check the right angle triangle. So solution is we have to apply the formula here. Then after applying the formula, you have to write the digits. So perpendicular is 12 unit, base is 5 unit, hypotenuse is 13. So since the longest side is hypotenuse, okay. Next, what is the formula as it is, you have to write here. So here they have given the square, so we have to write the square. If we write the square, 12 square plus 5 square is equals to 13 square. Okay. Next, 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25 and 13 square is 169. So here we have got 169 and here as it is 169. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So therefore what happens here? Therefore the angle opposite to 13 unit side will be the right. So this is your what we have got the right angle. Okay. Next I am going to explain about application of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and how it is useful for us, we'll see. So I have drawn one triangle here named as A, B and C. So here for example I have taken A as 3 centimeter, B as 4 centimeter, and we have to find the value of C here. Okay, we have to write as the formula, hypotenuse is equals to perpendicular plus base you have to write. So C square as it is you write, and A value is 3 and B value is 4. So in that formula they have given the square, so write the squares. And next, as it is C square you have to write, then 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So add this, you will get 25 square. So C square, if this square shift on this other side, it will become the root value. So root value of 25 is 5. So C value is also 5. Okay. How to find whether a triangle is the right angle triangle? Yes, how we can prove? If we provide with the length of 3 sides of triangle, then find the whether the triangle. Then to find whether the triangle is right angle triangle or not, we need to use the Pythagoras theorem. Yes. Okay, see, the two sides of the right angle triangle are given as shown in the figure. Find the third angle. Yes, we have to find the third angle. Perpendicular is 15 centimeter. Then we have the hypotenuse as 17 centimeter and base they have given as B centimeter. Okay, here solution, perpendicular is 15 centimeter, base is B centimeter and hypotenuse is 17. So now we have to apply the formula of Pythagoras theorem. You will get perpendicular square plus B square, base square is equals to hypotenuse square. So 15 square plus B square is equals to 17 square. As the formula is there, you have to apply the digits here. So 225 plus B square is equals to 289. So you have to write the square values of this. So after writing B, you shift here, and 289 will come here. This is in plus, and if you shift it in other side, it will become minus. So B square is equals to 64. If you minus this, you will get 64. So B is if you shift this square on the other side, it will become root. So B is equals to root value of 64 is 8. So therefore B is equals to 8 here. I hope all understood that this. So next I am going to, this is your last, what is it? What is the formula of hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle opposite to the right angle, which is adjacent to the base and perpendicular. Let the base, perpendicular and hypotenuse be A, B and C respectively. Then the hypotenuse formula will be C is equals to the whole square A square plus B square. So what is the formula? C is equals to the whole root A square plus B square. So thank you so much.